This is a little preview for VSCode ScriptSync. I enable it here. A helper tab gets open for logging and for communicating between Visual Code and ServiceNow. Now when I click a field with a button next to it, you see it gets green, and now you see the tab here flashing that says that the save is gone well. So here the script is now, and when I hit save and go back, you see it's instantly updated. If I go, for example, to a script include, this one is not accessible by me, but when I click it, this field is being opened right away. And when I try to change something and I hit save, I do get an error message, so there is some better error handling in this tool. The last one, for example, UI page, can click the HTML field in the client script. Here is the logging of the incoming and outgoing messages. The fields that are being passed are opened right away in the editor. And when I add another comment test on line 17, hit save, go back, and here line 17 has the comment. So look for this to be released very soon. Thank you.